Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and work on the tail wheel assembly, and it's going to be assembled like this with the wheel obviously going on here, and that's going to be secured by a collar. And then show you the pieces individually. So this piece is put together by this bolt that's got a hollow space for the rod, and the nut are going to kind of sandwich this piece together. And so I'll show you step by step in just a second here. So first we're going to go ahead and take the carbon fiber piece and go ahead and bolt screw the bolt, which is a hollow bolt, to the nut to sandwich those two pieces together. Okay, so now once we have those two pieces tight together, the tail wheel rod will insert through. First the collar will be bolted on, a little bit of Loctite, just above the bend. Using an Allen key, which is provided in the kit. And then next piece is going to be the rod that connects to the rudder. Also is going to attach with a collar. Okay, so once again we'll apply a little bit of Loctite. Make sure that these are lined up parallel to each other. The rod that's going to hold the wheel, and the rod that goes to the rudder. Make sure that those are pretty parallel in line with each other. And it's hard for me to see, so these are probably not perfectly in line, but once you're looking down at it, make sure you get those lined up. Okay, so once that's tightened down, this rod and this rod should be lined up with each other. Okay, and then these are going to secure to the fuselage, and then this rod will secure to the rudder via a ball link. It's going to slide in to a pre-drilled hole in the rudder. Alright, so we have our plane upside down. I've pre-drilled a 4mm hole and put this ball link in and epoxied it in. And I've lined this up, the carbon fiber piece, so that when this is in proper position, the pivot point will be right over the pivot point of the rudder itself, or pretty close to it. So I've gone ahead and placed it there, pre-drilled, and we're ready to go ahead and screw this down. Go ahead and place the screws in, tighten down all the way. Then your assembly is complete, other than attaching the tail, so that when it turns, the tail wheel will turn and steer the plane. Using the collar again, go ahead and loosen that to be able to slide it on, and then place it and tighten down. So here's the completed assembly with the landing gear carbon fiber piece screwed down, this assembly all put together, the steering rod connected to the rudder, to the ball joint, and the collar secured safely onto the tail wheel axle.